Yo, yo, yo! Welcome to MKIRIKACHA TV, where we grow smart, we grow big, and sometimes we even talk to our plants. Today, we're revealing the secret to getting tons of juicy tomatoes without turning your garden into a jungle. So grab your shears, flex your green thumb, and hit that like button if you're ready to prune your way to a mega harvest. Listen, tomatoes are like teenagers. If you don't guide them, they go wild. Pruning helps you focus the plant's energy on fruit, not fluff. It also improves air circulation, which means less disease. And it helps grow stronger stems and better tomatoes. Less chaos, more tomatoes. And who doesn't want that? First up, know your tomato type. Determinate, like a one-time concert. Boom! Fruits once, and it's done. Indeterminate, more like your uncle's WhatsApp messages. Keeps going forever. Now, meet the suckers. These guys grow between the main stem and a branch, and they are not your friends. To prune, pinch, or snip when they're small, don't touch the top of the plant, it's the CEO. Time for ninja-level gardening. The V method for indeterminate tomatoes. Train your plant to grow 2 strong stems, open like a book, more light, better airflow, maximum fruit. Different varieties, different rules. But the vibe is the same. Guide, support, and prune smart. Use cages, stakes, or even ropes. Just don't let it flop like a bored teenager on a couch. Over pruning. Your plant still needs leaves for photosynthesis. Don't make it regret meeting your scissors. Pruning too early. Let it settle first. Wait for 3 to 5 true leaves. Don't rush greatness. Ignoring disease. Prune sick parts early and clean your tools. You're not just a gardener now, you're a plant doctor. So what's the recipe for tomato greatness? Pick the right pruning style for your space. Be consistent. Pruning is a relationship, not a one-night snip. Support your plants and enjoy the juicy rewards. Alright gardening fam, if this video helped, go ahead and slice that like button. Spill the tomato tea in the comments. Do you prune or let them run wild? Share this with your garden group, your auntie, your tomato-loving neighbor, whoever needs tomato therapy. Hit that subscribe and ring the bell. Because MKIRIKACHA TV is growing with you all season long. You're not just growing tomatoes, you're growing legends. See you in the next one, and as always, grow smart, grow strong, grow with love. Peace out.